Hello everyone, welcome to Back Tech Kingo. In today's video, I will show you the best portable mini PC, the Morfine M9 Pro. If you've ever wanted desktop-level performance in a compact, travel-ready box, this powerful little device could be your answer. Let's get started. Product features: powerful processing capabilities. At its core, the Morfine M9 Pro is powered by an Intel Core i5-12450H processor with turbo boost speeds up to 4.40 GHz. That means fast multitasking, smooth workflows, and reliable power for gaming, editing, or business apps. 4K multi-screen support. Need multiple displays? The M9 Pro supports up to 3 4K monitors simultaneously. Whether you're building a productivity workstation, streaming, or gaming, you'll enjoy crisp visuals and seamless screen space for everything. Expandable memory. This mini PC isn't just about today, it's ready for tomorrow. With expandable memory up to 64 GB DDR4 RAM, you can handle memory-hungry applications, edit large projects, or run multiple programs without lag or slowdown. Versatile usage. Whether you need a reliable office computer, a capable machine for casual gaming, or even a lightweight setup for video editing, the M9 Pro delivers. It transitions easily between work and entertainment, adapting to your lifestyle. Compact and stylish design. Small enough to fit in your bag, but stylish enough for your desk, the M9 Pro proves power doesn't have to be bulky. Its sleek design saves space, while portability ensures you can carry performance wherever you need it. Pros: desktop-level performance in a small package. Supports 3 simultaneous 4K monitors. Future-proof memory upgrade up to 64 GB RAM. Works well for work, creative tasks, and entertainment. Portable and sleek design for easy mobility. Cons: integrated graphics may not match high-end gaming needs. Under heavy use, cooling fans can get noticeable. Some upgrades require opening the compact casing. Limited ports for heavy peripheral users. Final thoughts. The Morfine M9 Pro is one of the best choices if you're looking for a balance of power, portability, and future-proof design. From running multiple 4K monitors to handling demanding apps, this device can transform how you work or play. Yes, hardcore gamers may need more, but for everyday power users, this mini PC offers big performance in a portable size. Desktop performance, but in the palm of your hand. How cool is that? Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more powerful tech that fits your life. See you in the next video.